Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide sensitive words on Scrabble Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Now click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap on the view option of privacy settings. And here you can see hide sensitive words option. Now, in order to disable it, you'll just have to tap on the button of Hide Sensitive Words option. So that is how you can unhide sensitive words on Scrabble Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.